Luxury car enthusiasts. What if one of the most beautiful and revolutionary automobiles ever created suddenly returned in 2027 with cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and the same legendary spirit that made it an icon decades ago? Today, we're diving into the incredible possibility of the 2027 Citroën DS 21, a vehicle that could redefine modern luxury while honoring one of the most celebrated cars in automotive history. Imagine a sleek electric Grand Tourer gliding silently down the highway, turning heads with its sculpted bodywork, advanced autonomous features, and a ride quality so smooth it feels like floating above the pavement. The original DS21 was a masterpiece that shocked the automotive world with its futuristic styling and innovative engineering. And now automotive enthusiasts are imagining what a modern interpretation could look like in 2027. Could Citroën revive the legendary DS21 as a premium luxury flagship capable of challenging the world's best luxury sedans and Grand Tourers? Picture dramatic LED lighting stretching across the front fascia, aerodynamic curves inspired by the original silhouette, and a luxurious cabin filled with sustainable materials, AI-powered technology, and next-generation comfort systems. The idea of a reborn DS21 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about bringing one of the most influential automotive designs into the future. Stay with me because the concept we're discussing today combines heritage, innovation, elegance, and futuristic luxury into one unforgettable package that could completely transform how we think about premium automobiles. The 2027 Citroën DS21 concept begins with a bold exterior that pays tribute to the timeless original while embracing the future of automotive design. The front end features ultra-thin matrix LED headlights seamlessly integrated into a sculpted grille area, creating a distinctive visual signature recognizable from a distance. Every line of the vehicle is carefully shaped to maximize aerodynamic efficiency, while preserving the elegant proportions that made the original DS famous around the world. The body appears to flow like liquid metal, with hidden door handles, smooth surfaces, and sophisticated detailing that communicates luxury without unnecessary excess. Moving to the side profile, the long wheelbase creates a commanding presence while enhancing interior comfort for passengers. Large aerodynamic wheels with futuristic designs contribute to both efficiency and visual appeal. At the rear, a full-width lighting bar and active aerodynamic elements emphasize the vehicle's advanced engineering while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Citroën DS21 would represent a completely new vision of luxury. Instead of relying solely on traditional materials, the interior could combine premium leather alternatives, sustainable wood accents, recycled composites, and advanced ambient lighting to create a welcoming environment. The dashboard would feature a seamless digital display spanning the width of the cabin, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and intelligent driver assistance systems. Rear passengers would enjoy executive-class seating with massage functions, climate control zones, and immersive audio technology designed to transform every journey into a first-class experience. One of the defining characteristics of the original DS was its exceptional ride quality, and the 2027 model would likely continue that legacy through an advanced adaptive suspension system. Using AI-controlled dampers and predictive road scanning technology, the vehicle could analyze road conditions in real time and adjust suspension settings before encountering bumps or imperfections. The result would be an incredibly smooth ride that rivals the comfort of the world's most prestigious luxury vehicles. Under the hood, or more accurately beneath the floor, the future DS21 would most likely utilize an advanced electric powertrain. Industry trends suggest that premium luxury vehicles are rapidly transitioning toward electrification, making a fully electric DS21 a realistic possibility. Imagine dual electric motors producing over 600 horsepower, delivering instant acceleration while maintaining whisper-quiet refinement. A next-generation battery pack could provide more than 500 miles of driving range, making long-distance travel effortless and convenient. Fast-charging technology would allow drivers to recover significant range in minutes rather than hours, enhancing practicality for everyday use. Technology would play a central role in the 2027 DS21 experience. Advanced autonomous driving systems could manage highway travel, traffic congestion, and parking maneuvers with minimal driver input. Artificial intelligence would learn driver preferences over time, automatically adjusting seating positions, climate settings, route suggestions, and entertainment options. Voice recognition would become more natural and conversational, allowing occupants to interact with vehicle systems effortlessly. Augmented reality displays could project navigation guidance directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions while improving situational awareness. Safety would also reach new heights through a combination of sensors, cameras, radar systems, and AI-powered predictive algorithms designed to identify and respond to potential hazards before they become dangerous situations. Beyond technology and performance, the emotional appeal of the DS21 remains one of its greatest strengths. The original model represented innovation, elegance, and daring creativity. A modern interpretation would carry that same spirit forward, offering an alternative to conventional luxury vehicles that often prioritize aggressive styling over sophistication. The DS21 could appeal to drivers seeking individuality, artistic design, and a unique automotive identity. Rather than following industry trends, it would set its own course, much like the original did decades ago. In a marketplace crowded with luxury sedans, crossovers, and electric vehicles, the 2027 Citroën DS21 could stand out by combining heritage, comfort, advanced engineering, and timeless beauty into a single compelling package. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel, cruising through a modern city skyline, or traveling across open highways, it would project confidence and elegance without shouting for attention. This hypothetical revival demonstrates how iconic automotive design can evolve while remaining true to its roots. The 2027 Citroën DS21 represents more than just a car. It symbolizes the future of luxury mobility, inspired by one of history's greatest automotive achievements. If manufacturers continue blending advanced technology with emotional design, vehicles like this could become the new benchmark for premium transportation. The dream of a reborn DS may 21st still be a concept today, but it offers an exciting glimpse into what the future of luxury automobiles could look like. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the potential 2027 Citroën DS21, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose this futuristic luxury icon over today's premium electric vehicles? Let me know, and stay tuned for more incredible luxury car concepts, future automotive innovations, and exclusive automotive content coming very soon.